So right now I'm going to today, what I wanted to do for quite a while is put a gun mount on the front of my ATV. This is an older Yamaha 600. These are pretty universal. It's the Koplin Rhino Grip XL. They're universal, they'll fit everything. The bracketing system they come with comes two-piece. Obviously you got this and this, and it's designed to fit any style ATV. So whether in any direction, and you can change the direction in here, but you've got these crossers here, so one way or another it's going to work for everything. It comes with rubber grips, so if you're going to mount on a round tube, this will give you the anti-slip. Also comes with long and short bolts. In my case, I'm only going to need the short ones. And then it gives you these little rubber tip covers and nylock bolts. So we'll just bring that in a bit closer and we'll see what this is going to be like to mount. Okay, battery died again. Looks like I'm gonna have to replace all of them now. I don't know what's going on there. But anyway, they're both mounted. They're nice and solid. They're rubber grip. They can say different size barrels or butt ends or whatever, but they're also adjustable front and back. Just loosen this plastic wing nut. And it's got integrated locking points. So it'll lock there. It'll lock there. You want to carry it forward, it'll lock there. I'm primarily only going to carry a gun. It'll accept bows as well, but I generally walk with my bow. So we'll get that locked back up. Then we'll position the gun and see how it's going to sit for us. It'll accept pretty much anything. So there we got that. So that's all right. And it's got these plastic straps to go over top. They just lock in here. But both of mine broke. So I'll be contacting Koplin to get them to send me some new ones because it's literally brand new. 54 bucks Canadian Tire. You can't go wrong. All done and said. It took me, oh geez, half an hour, 20 minutes, something like that. Like I say, you want to make it easier for yourself. You'll want to use a box end of a wrench. Make it much easier. So, but that's it. That's the way she goes. She fits in there nice and tight. Yeah, there, the front fits really tight. But I can see those straps would be handy when you're traveling, just for security. But for now, that's it. And we'll get on to the next one. Hope to get out again this afternoon, do some other videos. I got a deer blind to make. So we'll get that as well. So be sure to like and subscribe and wait for more adventures.